Hey y'all, so I woke up this morning and I decided it is time for me to do a tutorial. Representing for Vlogmas. So before we carry on, please feel free to take a moment to pause the video and take note of the prompt. This is a prompt that we're going to be using today, and we are going to use this to do two different designs for our t-shirts. Very simple, very easy. So these are the options that we are working with. If you want more options, feel free to recreate and AI will give you more options upon more options. You can also change certain detailing of the image in which you are creating. You can change the ethnicity, you can change the hair color, whatever it is that you want to change, you can do so with this prompt. Okay, so let's get down to business. Type in t-shirts as you see that I did here in the search content section. We're gonna pick this option right here that you see, and this gives you a template of a t-shirt, and on the other side it gives you a little leg room to make your creation before you apply it to the t-shirt template. So once you do that, we're gonna go back and we're just gonna grab our images and we're gonna take it into here. We're gonna upload it. Is that if you edit your image right after AI has generated it, you do not need to download the image because it automatically transfers into your upload section. So again, if you edit from after the generation, you do not need to download first. However, if you do not edit, you do need to download your image. So once you figured out what it is that you want to add to your t-shirt design, whatever text you want to add, whatever phrase, slogan, pun you want to add to your t-shirt design, go ahead and you can go over into the fonts and just find the best font for you. If you're not 100% with these fonts, there are different apps on Canva that Canva does provide that you can go in, and it gives you more of a leg room to go ahead and be more creative with your fonts and the fonts that they provide. So go ahead and take a look through those, and you can go ahead and use that if it's something that you prefer to do, if you're a little bit more advanced. This here is for those that are not that advanced, and we're just going for something a little bit more simplified. Please don't be like me. When it comes to using transform images, you have to download your image, turn it into a PNG with a transparent background to your computer, your iPad, your cell phone, whatever device it is that you're using. Download it, and then you can re-upload it to the app once you open it. And from there, you're able to maneuver it, move it around, stretch it, make it smaller, and adjust it to whatever it is that you're doing for your t-shirt image. If you do want a video where I go into more details about this and show you guys, let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, this is only a few seconds of what it is that I've done in terms of trying to adjust this in the right angle, but this is taking me out. Like, it was so hard for some reason, and I've done this a few times before and it was never this difficult for me, but today is giving me a run for my money. So just take your time when you're doing this, and figure out the angle that you like it to. Don't stretch it too far, because if it's off the screen, once you upload it to your image, it's going to cut off. So make sure it's within the frame. So there you have it, 2 t-shirt designs that you can use for your Christmas. If you like this tutorial, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and leave me your comment in the section. Let me know how I did. Once again, if there's anything I could improve, if you like it the way it is, let me know so I can continue to provide the best content I can while I'm on my 6-month journey to doing better. And please feel free to check out some of my other tutorial videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!